Today, we're going to talk about something that's really important in today's fast-paced and ever-changing job market: how to never be jobless again. We've all been there: laid off, downsized, or just plain old fired. But what if I told you that there are ways to ensure that you never have to go through that again? In this video, we'll explore the strategies and mindset shifts you need to make to become job-proof. Principle number one: diversify your income streams. The first principle of never being jobless again is to diversify your income streams. This means having multiple sources of income, so that if one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. This could mean starting a side hustle, investing in real estate or stocks, or even creating and selling your own products or services. By diversifying your income streams, you'll be less reliant on any one job or income source. Principle number two: develop in-demand skills. The second principle of never being jobless again is to develop in-demand skills. This means staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies in your industry and continuously learning and adapting to new situations. By developing in-demand skills, you'll be more valuable to potential employers, and you'll be better equipped to navigate the ever-changing job market. Principle number three: build a professional network. The third principle of never being jobless again is to build a professional network. This means connecting with people in your industry, attending networking events, and building relationships with potential employers and partners. By building a professional network, you'll have access to job opportunities, mentorship, and support, and you'll be better equipped to navigate the job market. Principle number four: create multiple career paths. The fourth principle of never being jobless again is to create multiple career paths. This means having a plan B, C, and D in case your primary career path doesn't work out. By creating multiple career paths, you'll be more resilient to changes in the job market, and you'll have more options available to you. Principle number five: develop an entrepreneurial mindset. The fifth and final principle of never being jobless again is to develop an entrepreneurial mindset. This means thinking like a business owner rather than an employee. It means being proactive, taking calculated risks, and being open to new opportunities. By developing an entrepreneurial mindset, you'll be more adaptable, more resilient, and more likely to succeed in today's fast-paced and ever-changing job market. In this video, we explored the 5 principles of never being jobless again. Remember, becoming job-proof requires a mindset shift, a willingness to learn and adapt, and a commitment to taking control of your career. By following these principles, you'll be better equipped to navigate the job market, and you'll be more likely to achieve your career goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on career development and entrepreneurship.